off-grid camper. We're out playing around in the E450 and seeing how it does climbing hills under load. We are in Nikolai National Forest, kind of near the Shingle Mill area, but we're south and west of there. So we're in two-wheel drive, just climbing up this long gravel grade. It's a little bumpy. It's got washboard pretty bad. Surprisingly, it's not shaking as fast as it normally does, but great views. Come along for the ride. Just a short tour up this hill here. We'll check back in with you after we get up. It's a little loud in the box truck. The whole box vibrates. This is what I have to deal with. That rattly, rattly, rattly. Most of it is not going right there. The man door just shakes and shimmies. Alright, let's slow down here. Slow down while we're going through the rough patch. Now most of that rattling, I believe, is the man door and then the rear roll-up door. The plan is to replace the man door with an RV door, but we got to make sure this thing is actually dependable before we go putting any money into anything else. Now this reminds me of this area here of where I used to go when I was camping as an adolescent, rolling through the trees, all the green, on our old 1969 Ford Econoline camper. This here is the turnoff for the road up here that goes over to Shingle Mill, OHV area. Wow. Yeah, this is the road that goes into the Shingle Mill area. There's a couple of different roads that go over there. This is the far west road. It winds around and then connects to what I believe is Shingle Mill Road. And then there's another drive-in. But it's really pretty through here. I've been in this area shooting some downhill mountain bike content for some friends that do the extreme mountain biking stuff. And been through here with the camera car a couple of times. And I think I even came in through here with the Jeep, trying to find the Vancouver BC boys. Oh, all right, let's get over here. Yeah, the washboard is pretty intense. Now, so I've been through here a few times doing content. This is also the road that we found the guys that were doing that off-road TV show on. They were up here at the top and came down, so we returned around so we can film their convoy. Dang. Film their convoy. Yeah, I don't want to air down with the big dualies because it would just take forever. I mean, they are KO2s, but there's 4 of them. It would take forever to air back up, even though I do have my bi-air air compressor. I'm not taking any chances on the first gravel road today. Alright, jeez. Yeah, not taking any chances today because I don't have any kind of recovery gear in this rig. And I don't believe I have more than a basic toolkit. Oh, there's a butterfly. Butterfly was trying to race us down the road. Alright, well, I will check back in with you when I get up to the top of the Clatsop range, where I got some scenic views to show.